science enthusiast. I have worked on a lot of machine learning projects and have actually delivered in quality, accuracy, and precision. I like to share some of my projects, which includes reverse voices detection using synthetic data generation and actually using XGBoost and various other techniques. I have some research publications as well. I have also worked on data science gigs to provide data visualization and data analytics to my clients. For the past 3 years, I have been active over Fiverr to build and deliver quality machine learning and computer vision projects. I've also worked on a SCAT expert, you can say, which actually uses computer vision to a greater aspect, where we are actually tracing a shooter's body movement based on the camera attached to his gun. The whole product is based on computer vision and machine learning algorithms. Just tell me about your idea. We'll put together a call of action to build your product in the right way.